The action camera world is on the verge of a total meltdown because 2026 is officially the year DJI decides to stop playing fair. If you thought the Action 5 Pro was the peak of rugged cinematography, you aren't prepared for what the DJI Osmo Action 7 is about to do to the industry. We are talking about a device that doesn't just record your adventures, it redefines the very physics of what a small form factor camera can achieve. Rumors from deep within the supply chain suggest DJI has finally cracked the code on thermal management and sensor density, paving the way for a 1.1-inch stack sensor that rivals professional mirrorless setups. This isn't just an incremental update. It's a strategic takeover of the high-end vlogging and extreme sports market. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. Now, let's get into why the GoPro throne isn't just shaking. It's about to crumble under the weight of the Action 7's rumored 8K 60 frames per second capabilities. Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff at dawn. The light is low, and your current action camera is struggling with grain and noise. But the Osmo Action 7 features a new G3 turbo processor that utilizes Neuralink AI to clean up shadows in real time. This 2026 flagship is whispered to include a revolutionary fluid-link stabilization system, which goes beyond standard electronic cropping to provide a gimbal-like experience even in the most chaotic environments. For the first time ever, we are expecting a 10-bit D-Log M profile that doesn't just look good for an action cam, but actually holds up in a professional color grading suite alongside footage from a RED or an RE. The design is said to be slightly more aggressive, featuring a dual-layer cooling vent system that allows for 4K 120 frames per second recording for an indefinite period, effectively killing the overheating ghost that has haunted this niche for a decade. The heart of this beast is the rumored 1/1.1-inch sensor, a massive leap that brings us closer than ever to the 1-inch holy grail in a rugged body. This means a shallower depth of field and a natural bokeh that makes your travel vlogs look like cinematic masterpieces. The USA audience, in particular, has been demanding better low-light performance for nighttime city walks and indoor content, and DJI is answering that with a dedicated night vision AI mode. This mode isn't just a software trick. It's a hardware-software synergy that uses the massive pixel pitch of the new sensor to pull detail out of near darkness without the typical watercolor smearing effect. We are also looking at a significant upgrade in the lens department, with a new specialized coating designed to eliminate lens flare when shooting directly into the sun, a common pain point for mountain bikers and surfers. Let's talk about the audio, because what is a 35-minute documentary-style video without immersive sound? The Action 7 is expected to launch with AirMic integration, a built-in wireless receiver that connects directly to DJI Mic 3 transmitters without any dongles or adapters. This means crystal clear, 32-bit float audio recorded straight to your video file, giving you the dynamic range to capture everything from a whisper to a jet engine without clipping. For creators in the United States who are tired of carrying external recorders and fuzzy dead cats, this is the one-device solution that actually delivers on its promise. The battery life is also seeing a massive boost with a new high-density 2,100 mAh cell that utilizes solid-state chemistry to remain efficient even in sub-zero temperatures, making it the ultimate tool for snowboarding and high-altitude climbs. Durability has always been DJI's strong suit, but the 2026 model takes it to a terrifying level. We are hearing reports of a 30-meter waterproof rating without a case, which is nearly double the industry standard. The front and rear screens are rumored to be upgraded to LTPO OLED panels, offering 3,000 nits of peak brightness so you can actually see your framing under the harsh California sun. But the real killer feature might be the Instant Edit AI engine. Imagine finishing a 30-minute session and having the camera's internal processor automatically flag the best highlights based on your heart rate, movement speed, and facial expressions. By the time you get home, the camera has already prepared a rough cut that you can transfer to your phone in seconds using Wi-Fi 7 technology. The competitive landscape in late 2026 is fierce, with GoPro and Insta360 pushing their own boundaries. But DJI's vertical integration gives them an unfair advantage. By using the same color science found in their Mavic drones and Ronin gimbals, the Action 7 ensures that your entire ecosystem of footage matches perfectly. No more spending hours trying to match the blue of the sky across different devices. The Tech Rivet community knows that workflow is everything, and a camera that saves you 5 hours in the edit suite is worth its weight in gold. We are also expecting a Pro variant of the Action 7, which might feature a dual lens system, one wide angle for the classic action look and one 2x telephoto for tighter vlogging shots, where you want more compression and less distortion. As we look toward the official Q3 release, the pricing strategy seems to be aggressive. Rumors suggest a standard combo starting at $399, which, considering the 8K hardware inside, is a direct challenge to the premium smartphone market. Why use a $1,200 phone on a gimbal when a $400 rugged brick can produce better image quality and survive a 10-foot drop onto concrete? The vertical video mode is also being overhauled, with a physical quick switch button that reorients the UI and the sensor readout for native 9:16 social media content without losing resolution. This is specifically designed for the TikTok and Reels generation in the US market who need high production value with zero friction. In terms of connectivity, the inclusion of a 5G-ready module for live streaming is a high-probability rumor. This would allow creators to stream 1080p high bitrate video directly to YouTube or Twitch without needing a phone hotspot, utilizing the camera's own antenna system for a more stable connection. Imagine live streaming a mountain bike descent or a city marathon with zero lag and professional stabilization. The Osmo Action 7 is positioning itself not just as a camera, but as a mobile broadcasting station. The software side is equally impressive, with ActiveTrack 7.0 bringing drone-level subject tracking to the ground. You can set the camera on a tripod, and it will digitally pan and tilt to keep you in the center of the frame as you move, making it the perfect tool for solo creators. The internal storage debate is also finally being addressed. Leaks suggest a 128 gigabytes high-speed internal buffer, allowing you to record even if you forget your SD card at home. This internal storage is rumored to be NVMe-based, meaning transfer speeds to your computer will be limited only by the USB-C 4.0 port on the side of the device. We're talking about offloading a 35-minute 8K file in under a minute. This level of speed and reliability is exactly what professional creators in Tier 1 markets have been begging for. The DJI Osmo Action 7 is more than just the next iteration. It is a statement that the future of videography is small, smart, and indestructible.